Go to your favorite browser and open Roblox. After login to your account, click on create. Once you are in Roblox creator dashboard, select creations. In here, select development items, select audio, click on upload asset. Here we can see audio upload format is MP3, OGG, FLIC, and WAV. Now click on upload, and from your computer, select your audio file that you want to upload. And now you can rename the audio file here. You can also write a description about the audio. Now click on upload. That's it. As you can see, I've successfully uploaded my audio in my Roblox. Now you can click this three dot next to your audio, and from here you can copy your audio ID. You can also archive the audio.